Bones, we have a wounded glower on the surface. I need you to bring down a shuttle.
Damn it, Jim. What in blazes is this?
A quick disclaimer. I am not sponsored by any company or product. This video is not intended for children. Some of the tools used in this video have sharp edges. Some of the products used in this video contain harmful chemicals. Hello folks, I'm ScottyMont. I bought this glowworm on eBay. It didn't come with a light. There were no tears. It was in pretty good condition, except that it was very dirty. This is the original Hasbro 1982 glowworm. So I found a light on eBay, bought it separate, and it's actually in real good condition. So what I need to do, I need to clean up that glowworm, get all the stains off, and then see if this light works. I've decided not to take apart the glowworm. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to soak it in some detergent for about 8 hours. See how clean I can get it. So what I'm going to do is take a bucket. This is about 2 gallons worth of water in this bucket. And then I'm going to add some soap. About a quarter of a scoop. This is a very tiny load of laundry. Look at it that way. You're not going to need a lot of this. And then we have the OxyClean. It's barely a quarter of a scoop. Laundry booster from Arm & Hammer. Put a little bit of that in there too. Since there's so much detergent in such a small amount of water, you'll want to wear gloves like these. And I'm going to go ahead and use my hands to mix this water up. Mix up all that detergent I just put in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the glowworm in and let it soak. And then every, maybe an hour or two, I'll come in and I'll agitate the water a little bit, just like a washing machine would do. Once the 8 hours is over, I'll just take this whole bucket, dump it into the washing machine, and wash the glowworm. The tag says that it's safe to put into a washing machine, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then after I wash it, I'm going to set the washing machine on rinse, and then I'm going to do a final rinse just to get all this soap off, because this is a lot of soap. I'm really hoping that it gets all these stains out. You might not be able to see on the video just how dirty this thing is, but it's absolutely filthy. So I'm just hoping to get all these stains out. And if this doesn't do it, I have a couple more tricks that I'll try. So let's go with this first. I took the light apart and it was in real good condition. Not bad for being almost 40 years old. All I have to do is put in some batteries. It came with a working light I put the batteries in and put it into the glowworm. And here you go, it works. I got all the stains off of the glowworm. So here you can see on the face, all those stains are gone. All the stains on the body are gone. And it works. Thank you for watching.